Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your PayPal money as cash. If you have ever wondered how to turn your PayPal balance into cash quickly and easily, you are in the right place. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, you will need to log in into your PayPal account through the PayPal app. Once you are in, check your PayPal balance. This is the amount of money available for withdrawal. For example, here I have £6 available. Now to start the process, tap on Send at the bottom menu. You will now see an option called Send Bank Deposits or Money. This is a game changer because previously most users did not have access to this feature, but PayPal is rolling out more options, making it easier for people to access their money. Now let's talk about what this feature offers. It works in over 130 countries. The recipient does not need to pay transaction fees. That's right, the person receiving the money won't have to pay any fees. Once you select this option, you will see a message saying that by continuing, you accept the terms of third-party service called Xoom. Xoom is a PayPal service that helps you send money abroad, even if the recipient does not have a PayPal account. Now let's go through the process. Select the currency you are sending from, enter the amount you want to send. For example, if I want to send £6, I will enter that amount, but PayPal has a minimum transfer limit. Right now it has £7. Since I don't have that in my balance, I won't be able to complete the transaction, but I will show you what happens next. Here you will see the transaction fees details. If I send £6, the transaction fees would be £1.99, making my total cost £7.99. It also tells you exactly how much the recipients will receive. Keep in mind that transfer is subject to review. If there is an issue, people may delay or stop the transaction. But the good news is that Xoom offers money back guarantee. So if your transaction does not go through, your money will be refunded to your PayPal account. And that's how you withdraw your PayPal money as cash. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Also subscribe to the channel because I will be covering more PayPal features and online money making methods in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.